Hey guys,
We're making a squishy and we forgot to record, but we're just gonna record.
I already 3D did, not 3D did, but I just did all of that right now. This is my squishy right here. She just got Gorilla Glue,
Yeah.
and I think that's super bad. And there's this thing that she uses,
Okay, that's all the glue. That's called a UV light.
obviously. And I just got this
I
kit.
just need to get some wrap.
I know.
And then now I'm just gonna place it on. So this one's Vaseline.
This one's
This
like
one
slime.
is like
From this slime
jelly
that's actually
slime.
spilling right now. Oh my god, wait, this slime's actually spilling.
Okay, we're gonna make one more in clay.
I'm keeping this one.
Yeah.
And I'm keeping the Vaseline.
Girl, I'm keeping that one.
Fine. But what about your second one? Wait, what happened to the other one that you said that we could do? Could we use the...
I'm using this super glue. Pause it.
I got this syringe. Lulu, don't do it. Don't do it, Lulu.
Okay, now have it in.
Oh my god, girl.
Okay.
It's like in there.
And
Wait, is it actually getting...
actually, I'm gonna stick it back in.
Don't mind the background noise.
Okay, there. It's done.
Make sure.
This has too much air.
Oh, no! Lola! It just expanded. Okay, I think that's enough, girl. Are you sure?
That's good.
Does it feel... Let me see. I'm here.
Oh, this is inflated.
It's... Yeah, maybe we shouldn't have done that on this one.
Yeah. Try and cover it. So it won't get covered.
Okay, bye.
Guys, we're gonna make a part 2 of the clay one.